From instilling confidence in your children to disagreements between roommates, it is Therapy Thursday. Dr. Brenda Lloyd-Jones from the University of Oklahoma is here with her expert advice. Dr. Brenda, great to see you. Thanks for being here.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Jonathan. How are you?
I'm doing good. We have two questions today, so let's get started. John is our first one, and John says, my daughter has shown greater interest in school now that she's in high school. However, she tends to get upset if she does not get an A on her assignments. How can I convince her that grades are not everything?
Oh, wow. You know what comes to mind, Jonathan, is perfectionism and this notion that you should get an A, for example, on every assignment. And when you don't, you get upset. I think that it is important for John to communicate with his daughter that high school is different. You know, we may be accustomed to getting a certain grade at a previous stage of our life, but high school is certainly more difficult, more challenging, and consequently that it is okay to ask her teacher for assistance, ask the counselor for suggestions or advice on study skills. And this is important because perfectionists, or people who tend to have perfectionism, they find it hard to ask for help. So providing understanding, of course, and then suggesting appropriate resources such as going to your teacher and asking for assistance or talking with the counselor about suggestions on doing better is important. Here's the heart of the matter. When you're used to getting A's, it is so difficult not to receive them all the time. So it's the parent's job to certainly instill confidence, let them know that they're still great, and then provide resources for them to reach the level at which they desire.
Yeah, it's a great goal to have. At least they're not getting all F's. So could be worse.
That's true,
All
Jonathan.
right, Kendra has our next question today. Kendra says, my roommates could be better at cleaning up after themselves. They often pile up dishes in the sink, and I get frustrated and end up cleaning them. What's your advice?
That is familiar at some point in our lives. You know, what comes to mind is a communication strategy called constructive direct expression. And this strategy can help Kendra. It requires one to use objective, non-judgmental communication and to speak in a direct and firm way. So she can convene her roommates. She can let them know that she is becoming upset, even angry, because she consistently washes everybody's dishes. Then she can propose a resolution. That's what this strategy is about. Stating your concern and then offering a resolution. And that resolution could simply be taking turns. Everybody takes a week, or she can have that dialogue with them. Here's the heart of the matter. She doesn't have to consistently wash everybody's dishes and hold back anger because she's trying to keep the peace. But she can use certainly constructive, direct expression to aid her in addressing this issue.
All right, communication's key.
It is.
All right, Dr. Brenda, thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Oh, my pleasure.
If you have a question that you would like us to consider for next week, send us an email, therapythursday@griffin.news.